Hello, and welcome to the Maker Maddox Show with me, your host, Maker Maddox. Today, I'm going to be making a notebook for TheCrafsMan. As you'll remember, a couple weeks ago, I made myself a notebook so I could put in some notes. I thought maybe, since he's such an inspiration to me, that maybe I could send him one and he could also have a notebook to put some notes, or maybe some sketches. Maybe it could be like a little traveling sketchbook, or just notes. No real pressure. He could do what he wants with it. It is a gift. Now for this, I was gonna make it to the dimensions of a field note style notebook, and well, I'm still gonna do that, except I'm gonna make it a little more fancy. Instead of doing it with staples, well, we about to bind this with some thread. And this is real simple. All you gotta do is get yourself a piece of string, so hopefully something heavy duty, and a big old needle, and then you're gonna punch yourself some 3 holes in the paper and the cover, and then you're gonna get yourself to some work. And once you got your needle and thread all ready, you're gonna put yourself a little knot at the end of it. You don't want that piece of thread escaping on you. You're gonna put a knot at the end of it right there. You see that right there? That's a knot right there. You see that? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it through the middle hole, and we're gonna take it out the outside, from the inside to the outside. And then this is completely up to you. You can either go up or you can go down, but whichever way you go, just remember that you're not gonna go back that way. So either way, left or right, up or down, however you're looking at it, whatever your perspective is. Then you're gonna go in from that outside hole back to the inside, and then back on through the center. You're gonna have to move that little knot out of the way, just so you don't stab that with the needle. And essentially, what you're doing here is like a little figure 8. That's what you're gonna end up here. A little infinity sign, little figure 8 going on here with the string. Now, once you come back in through the last hole, and you're gonna slide that needle right up underneath this first stitch you did. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie yourself a little knot. And then you're gonna tie it up. You're gonna tie it up real good. There you go. And then once you got that knot, go ahead and make yourself a second knot, just to be secure. Now I tend to snip these little bunny ears here, kind of short, but I leave them a little bit long. I consider that a maker's mark. I know I made this book because this is how I do my little ears. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching Maker Maddox Show with me, your host, Maker Maddox. This is for TheCrafsMan. This will be on its way to you.